take a look, read it and weep, period. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my last vlog. I really had a lot of fun putting that together for you guys, but as the title states, I will be doing another clothing haul for you guys. I find that a lot of people like those, so I did a lot of shopping this weekend because I am going to New Orleans, and so I just needed some cute quick little fits. So I tried out Amazon clothing. I've been seeing a lot of that on TikTok. I got some stuff from Shein and Boohoo. Without further ado, let's get on into it, period. Oh, before we get started, so you guys, I decided to wear my natural hair. In a video, I was looking through my stuff and I was like, I never film like with my natural hair. I always just have on wigs or like sew-ins, or my hair is straight. So I was like, you know what, I'm wearing my natural hair. So tell me what you think in the comments below. Don't drag me, I'm missing 2 nails, but still cute. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is the first outfit from Amazon. This is like my second time filming this because I was out of focus, but whatever. But yeah, so it's like a little ruffly skirt. It comes with like 2 layers of ruffles, which I can appreciate because I'm going to feet and I need all the protection at the bottom I can get. The top I really like as well. I didn't really know. I struggle with these tops sometimes because I never know how to tie them. But I think I just followed what the model in the picture did, which is just a cute little bow. Also like really appreciate the silhouette of this. I think it's really cute. It's really girly. But here's the back. It also has like ruffles. It's only 1 layer of ruffle back here though, which is fine. But yeah, it's really cute. I give this like an 8 out of 10. And actually 9 out of 10. It's cute. It's nice fabric as well. I would describe it as like maybe a polyester. This had a lot of colors, so if you don't want red, like there's a bunch. I'm gonna put the size and the amount in my description below and the link as well. And it felt really nice. It feels really nice. I think I would definitely like try different colors. I got red because I feel like it fits like the vibe of New Orleans. I don't know. But yeah, so this is the outfit, period. Okay, so this is a biker shorts that I got from Amazon. I really like fabric, I guess. Like the quality is really nice, and you get 3 pairs in like 1 package. Anyways, it came in green, black, and gray, and then they have like options where you can like change the colors out or whatever. So this is probably like one of the outfits that I'm gonna choose to wear, just because it's like comfortable. I like a lot of tops and not bottoms, so like I feel like these are nice enough to where I can like pair stuff with them. And also like, I don't know if you can tell, but they like come down pretty low on my leg, which like I appreciate because I feel like biker shorts on me sometimes stop really high up. So like, yeah, they're very comfortable. They feel really nice, very soft, very good quality. And if you see this outfit on Instagram, don't say nothing, or you do say something, I don't know. But yeah, okay. I also only got 2 Amazon outfits because I'm kind of weary about ordering from them sometimes. I'm hoping that like they hold up really nicely because they both seem to have really good quality or feel really nice quality. So yeah. So on to the next. I'm doing Shein next. Most I got from Shein was accessories, like their purses and stuff, because I just don't want to like spend a lot on accessories, I find. But yeah, so on to Shein. Hey y'all, so I got this from Shein. Again, I'll put the link in the size below. I already got makeup on it, I'm gonna have to wash it. But yeah, it's really cute. I love these sleeves. Oh my goodness, I love this bohemian style thing we got going. Hey. I feel like I'm about to praise dance. Of course it's Shein, so the quality isn't like just like the greatest, but it feels nice. A cute little travel moment. But yeah, I really like it. The material, I would describe it as like a, I don't know, it's like a polyester maybe. Yeah, so maybe like a polyester. I love the crisscross. I love the tie in the front, the belly top. I think it does a really good job of like creating the illusion of a smaller waist. I think it's gorgeous. I don't know, I think I would wear this with a jean, not necessarily a black pant, but I just grabbed what I could grab. I really like this. All right, on to the next. Y'all, Shein did what needed to be done. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I have to figure out the straps. I'm not really sure how to, I might like put like a bobby pin right here or something because they keep like spreading. But like this is so cute and this was so cheap. I forget what size and price it was, but I'll put it in the description. Like how cute is this? OMG. Yes, this is like my favorite item from the day. Just do another turn. Period. Period. Love this, love this. Gonna figure this out, but love it, love it, love it. All right, on to the next. All right, so I also got purses from Shein because I just needed like cute little bags to carry in New Orleans. So the first one is like this cute little brown one. I wanted like a brown purse that could go with everything. So how cute, period, period. How cute is this? I'm really excited to wear this. The shape is kind of messed up because it's straight out of the package, but here's the brown one. I also got the same one in this really pretty like emerald green. Well, it's not really emerald, it's like a pastel green. Love, love, love this color. And it's textured, so it's like a little snakeskin moment. Again, really, really cute. And then I got another one. I just realized that I got all snakeskin purses. I don't know what I'm on, but whatever. It's not real snakeskin, obviously, but y'all knew that. This one is more of a square type moment, but how, y'all, oh my goodness, I'm so excited to wear this, period. And walk, period. Super excited. Okay, so the next thing I got, the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is the clothes I got from Boohoo, okay? All right. Okay, so this is the first dress I got from Boohoo. Really, really like it. I think it's very complimentary on my figure. I love this little cutout moment. It also adds to the illusion of a smaller waist because it's opening this up, which I love. The material is very thin, like t-shirt material. I probably won't even be able to wear a bra with this because the cutouts go so far. So if anything, I probably would have to cover my stuff with tape, but that's pretty much it. I really like it. It's a very simple dress. I love the high neckline. And yeah, t-shirt material. Feels like I have on a t-shirt, but it's cute and it feels very comfortable. So yeah, take a look, read it and weep, period. But yeah, we'll move on to the last item. Okay, I'm not really sure how I feel about this. This is a little bit too revealing for me. I also have to tie these chains in a knot because it just kept opening up. This isn't the most like supportive top and I'm not really the biggest fan of it. I probably won't even wear this. I'll probably get rid of it. This is the final look. This is the final top. This is also Boohoo. I'll put the size and price in the description below. Also, thank you guys for watching. I'm really trying to get to 500 subscribers, so you guys subscribe, share, like, comment, make sure you're thumbsing up, engaging, and sharing it. Turn on my bell notification so you get notifications every time I upload. And yeah, I will be taking a lot of pictures in these outfits. So on my Instagram, Naharasworld, make sure you comment you saw it here first, okay? All right, thank you guys for watching. See y'all later. Bye.